Giving gifts is a true reflection of your personality. It is a meaningful way to express affection, appreciation, and connection, serving as a tangible manifestation of our feelings towards others. A well chosen gift, one that resonates with the recipient's personal tastes, needs, or aspirations, not only brings immediate joy but also reinforces the bonds between the giver and the receiver. It signifies the giver's thoughtfulness and effort in understanding what would bring happiness or utility to the recipient, making the act of giving not just a formal exchange but a deeply personal and enriching experience. That is why a good gift that matters holds importance far beyond its material value, as it embodies a gesture of love, respect, and understanding, contributing to stronger, more meaningful relationships. In this video, I am going to show you this new generative AI tool called as Giftruly, which helps you in selecting the appropriate gift for the appropriate occasion. So let's get started. All you need to do in order to find the gift, just click on find a gift now, and from here just select the occasion. Maybe you are searching it for Valentine's Day, so let's click here, and you want to search it for your girlfriend. From here just give her age, maybe let's say you say 35, taste and interest, branded items, yep, expensive tastes. Gift category, I'll just say bags, jewelry, watches. Gift style, classy and upmarket. Price range, let's go luxury. How about if I select low? I think that is going to give me the replica ones. Okay, I'll just go with luxury high, and let's also select low for the fun of it. So I have clicked next, and it is finding the best matches for me. There you go. So these are the best gift ideas, like Michael Kors women jet set item, and then it has given a short description of that gift there, and then a lot of other things. And if you want more expensive idea, more cheap ideas, I think the business model here is that when you click on this view image, it is going to show us the image of the bag, I believe, from somewhere. And then yes, there you go. So it says that buy on Amazon. I'm sure there will be some affiliate link or something like that. If yeah, so you can see that if you hover on it, there is an affiliate link. Would be good to mention for them to mention. Okay, yeah, no, they have truly mentioned it. That is awesome. So they are Amazon associates, and they are not commissioned from it. So pretty good business idea, I would say. And if you click on articles on the top right, you can see a lot of articles there. I'll just click on accept here, and then you can read the articles if you are in the mood of reading. Otherwise, you can simply go to the gift finder again, and then maybe select for any other sort of thing. Let's click on others. I'll just say what should I say here? I'll say turning 50 maybe. Let's see if it is able to do something there. What happened there? I don't see anything. Okay, who is the person? Maybe I'll just say friend, confirm. Friend age, maybe I'll just say 74. Watching TV on couch whole day, eating chips. Gift category, anything that would help him not moving. Gift style, as cheap as possible. Low. Click on next. So I have no idea what lap care home office. Okay, lap desk. Okay, that is good. Couch coaster, this armrest caddy, and snack bowl set. Okay, so everything is there. Let's go with this couch coaster one. So if you click there, it is going to just pick up the stuff from Amazon and give it to you. Seems pretty handy for my friend. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Another cool thing is that this is primarily also available on the app too, which you can download on your phone and then play around with it, which should be quite good. And look, whenever we are, thinking of gifting someone, it is always a hard choice. So I think using personalized AI powered gift idea generator like this Giftruly can help a lot, and because it can suggest a range of original gifts to spread love and happiness around you. And of course, you don't have to buy it from Amazon. Maybe you can just get the ideas and then buy it from anywhere else if you like, or you can just use it to generate the ideas around it. You can even do it from ChatGPT or any large language models, by the way. You don't have to go there and use it. So, but I agree that it can be hard to come up with original ideas to please someone who has a different lifestyle to you. For example, if it's a brother's baby shower, a colleague's promotion, a parent's birthday, a high society gathering, or a friend's wedding, you could literally spend hours and hours searching for the right gift. And sometimes, if you have been burnt before because someone didn't like the gift you gave them, or even sometimes people are weird, people can get even offended if they are from a different culture or background, and if you gift something which is not appropriate, they might get offended. So I think this could get serious too. So that is where I think this could help you a lot, where you could give the background or the cultural background of a person you are trying to give the gift, and then this could point you to the right direction. So based on your answer, as you saw that it they have tailored and very specific question, and their machine learning algo generated a good ideas, I would say. So that's it. I think good tool. Let me know your thoughts on it. And the best thing is that it's totally free. You don't have to pay. You don't even have to sign up or log in or give any credit card information. Try it out. Let me know your thoughts on it. And if you know of any other similar tool, please feel free to put it in the comments, as I will be happy to review it too. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.